And it's really starting to sprinkle. Let's go. Almost done with lap 3. 3 laps left. 4 minutes. 28 seconds. Let's do this. Come on. Come on. You got this. You got this. So 4 minutes, 50 seconds. She's about a quarter of the way done on her 4th lap. You can see in her face when she comes back around, she's like, oh, I cannot believe I agreed to this test. She's mad. She's like, I'm out here on a Saturday. I'm in PT uniform. I don't want to do this freaking test.